Good. Good. Girl.
Oh yeah.
Sammie. Good girl.
Okay, well, I just got out. You want Graham to run me up to put on the elbows and
Down. Down.
yeah.
Down. 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 Ah, good. Good girl.
Yeah, they did, yeah.
Turkey today.
No chicken.
Chicken.
That's their Thanksgiving.
All right, let's try without the leash. The leash is encumbering you. You've got to keep that arm in front of you, though. Down.
And I'm going to tell you why. Because when the leash is off, you would never have your arm behind you like that. And it kind of indicates, it almost makes it like you're trying to hold her back. Just take your leash off. You're fine. But keep this arm bent. I want you to have this arm bent in the front. There you go. Well, not like that.
Like what?
More just kind of relaxed and kind of in. All right, go back that way. Good.
Heel.
All right, good. Go back down that way. Do your pager.
Heel.
Good.
Heel.
Good.
Girl.
Wonderful. Go all the way down, like to where those chairs are. Come back. All right, do your pager. Good. Give her a little treat while you're going along. Good. Good. Girl. Now you two look so cute together. All right, let her down.
Good girl. Down.
Tap.
Down. Good girl.
All right, guys, that was Julie's demo. Julie's my favorite anesthesiologist, and she knows I know more than one. She's my favorite.
There might be hope for this one.